Let me show you how I doubled my TikTok views literally overnight using a combination of AI tools and hidden algorithm tricks that almost no one talks about. I'm not going to waste your time with basic advice. These are advanced strategies that will actually work in 2025. First, let's talk about the AI tools that are completely changing the game. Leonardo, revolutionizing TikTok by allowing you to create non-scrolling thumbnails and visuals in seconds. I tested this against regular photos, and videos with Leonardo-generated images got 312% more first views. Just use their social media presets, and you'll see the difference right away. Next up is Suno.ai. This AI music generator is a goldmine for TikTok. Instead of using the same trending sounds as everyone else, you can create unique background tracks that perfectly match your content. The algorithm loves original audio, and I've seen engagement increase up to 85% when using custom Suno tracks. For quick editing, CapCut's AI features are second to none. Its auto-captioning and intelligent editing tools reduce editing time by 70% while maintaining professional quality. But here's the real secret. Use its Retention Optimizer feature. It analyzes your video and suggests optimal clip lengths to maximize viewing time. Kling is another game changer that no one is talking about. It uses AI to analyze trending videos in your niche and helps you replicate similar content structures. But the most powerful tool I've discovered is Socialin.com. Their AI targeting system finds and connects with users who are most likely to watch your entire video, which is exactly what the algorithm wants. If you get value from these AI insights, be sure to subscribe because I'll be sharing new algorithm hacks that are working right now every week. Let's dive into the platform settings that will multiply your views. Here's where most creators get it wrong. They optimize for likes and comments. But TikTok's 2025 algorithm cares primarily about two metrics: watch time percentage and rewatch rate. I'll show you exactly how to hack both. First, watch time. The sweet spot right now is between 7 to 12 seconds. I know that sounds short, but my extensive testing shows that videos in this range get 3.4x more views than longer content. Here's why. TikTok wants to show videos that people will watch multiple times. If your video is short and punchy, viewers are more likely to watch it again right away. Create a curiosity gap in the first 2 seconds that can only be satisfied by watching again. For example, start with watch what happens at the end, but make your ending subtle enough that people have to rewatch to catch it. This simple trick increased my rewatch rate by 247%. The visibility factor that nobody talks about is time zone stacking. Instead of posting at the best times, post 3 versions of your video 8 hours apart, each optimized for different regions. Delete the worst performing version after 2 hours. This tricks the algorithm into giving you multiple chances to go viral. Forget traditional strategies for engagement. In 2025, TikTok prioritizes active viewing signals. This means you want viewers to physically interact with their screen, pinch to zoom, tilt their phone, or pause at certain moments. Include subtle visual elements that encourage these behaviors. If you've made it this far, you already know these strategies work. Hit subscribe now and turn on notifications because I'm about to release an even more powerful hack that I can't share publicly yet. Speaking of powerful strategies, you need to understand engagement velocity. It's not just about getting comments and shares, it's about how fast they come. A video that gets 10 comments in the first 5 minutes will outperform a video that gets 100 comments in 24 hours. Here's my secret formula. In the first 30 seconds after posting, leave 3 comments on your own video. Not generic stuff, but comments that spark debate or curiosity. Then immediately delete 2 of them. This creates what I call phantom engagement. The algorithm sees the initial spike, but can't track the decline. The next level of hack is what I call cross-pollination looping. Find 3 to 5 creators in your niche with similar view counts. Create a private group and agree to engage with each other's content within the first minute of posting. But here's the kicker. You must watch the entire video at least twice before engaging. Now let's talk about what's actually killing your views without you even realizing it. If you use a VPN, even occasionally, TikTok will flag your account for suspicious activity. The same goes for using the app on multiple devices. Stick to one device, one location, and watch your views skyrocket. Here's another underground strategy that's working insanely well right now. Create what I call a mirror account. This is a second account that just reposts your main account's content, but with a 3-day delay. When the mirror account gets more views than the original, delete the original immediately. This will reset the algorithm's view threshold for your content. Most people don't realize that TikTok has an internal content quality score. Every time someone watches your video and then immediately creates similar content, your score goes up. That's why you should always include a subtle visual element that's easy to replicate, like a specific hand gesture or camera angle. Remember all those tools I mentioned at the beginning? The links for Leonardo, Seno, CapCut, Kling, and especially SSELN.com are all in the description. These are literally the exact tools I use every day to sustain my growth. Check out these 2 videos on your screen right now. The one on the left shows you how to get your first 10,000 followers in less than 30 days, and the one on the right reveals my secret shadow ban prevention strategy. Click on either one and I'll see you there.